Look at these videos. They're getting millions of views across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and creators are growing their pages faster than ever with simple handmade art content. From colorful paper crafts and satisfying DIY creations to realistic miniature designs, people can't stop watching because every step is relaxing, creative, and incredibly satisfying. The best part is that these stunning videos are now being created with the help of AI, making the entire process much faster than you might think. So, if you want to create these viral handmade art videos yourself, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process using free AI tools, so you can start making eye-catching content in no time. Let's get started. To make this process even easier, I've already created a master template prompt for you. You can find the Google Docs link in the video description. This prompt is carefully designed to generate high-quality prompts that work specifically for these paper crafting videos, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. At the end of the document, I've also included a universal prompt. With this one, all you need to do is replace the name of the object, animal, or subject you want to create, and the rest of the prompt will automatically adapt to generate a detailed result in the same style. Step number 1. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's open, go to the Google Docs file and copy the entire master template prompt. The prompt is quite long, so make sure you copy everything carefully without missing a single line. After you've copied the complete prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click Generate. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will suggest 10 unique paper crafting video ideas for you. Take a moment to go through the list and choose the idea you like the most. In this example, I'm selecting idea number 5. Now, simply copy the selected idea, paste it back into ChatGPT, and click Generate again. ChatGPT will then create 2 things for you: a detailed storyboard image prompt that visually maps out the entire crafting process, and a complete step-by-step video generation prompt based on that storyboard. Once both prompts have been generated, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step number 2. Now, open Google Gemini AI. Once it's ready, go back to ChatGPT, copy the storyboard image prompt, and paste it into the Gemini AI prompt box. Then, click Generate. In just a few moments, Gemini AI will begin generating your storyboard image. As you can see, it creates a clean, highly detailed storyboard with excellent consistency, showing the entire paper crafting process frame by frame in a single image. Each stage flows seamlessly into the next, making it the perfect visual guide for creating the final video. Once the image is generated, go ahead and download it because we'll be using it in the next step. Now that our storyboard image is ready, let's move on to the next step. Step number 3. Now, open Flow AI. Once it's open, upload the storyboard image that you downloaded from Gemini AI. After the image has been uploaded, enable the Flow AI agent. Next, click the 3 dots on the uploaded image and select Add to Prompt. This will attach the storyboard image as a visual reference, allowing Flow AI to understand exactly how each scene should look and progress. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video generation prompt, and paste it into the Flow AI prompt box. Once everything is in place, click Generate. I'll expand the agent panel so you can see exactly what's happening. After analyzing the prompt, the Flow AI agent will ask for approval before it starts generating the video. Simply approve the request, and you'll see the project appear on the main dashboard with the status generating. The process usually takes just a few moments. And that's it. Your paper crafting video is now complete and ready to watch. From this point on, The process is exactly the same. Simply go back to ChatGPT, copy your next selected idea, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. ChatGPT will once again create two prompts for you: a storyboard image prompt and a video generation prompt. Next, copy the storyboard image prompt and paste it into Gemini AI to generate the new storyboard image. Once the image is ready, download it and open Flow AI. Upload the storyboard image, then add it to the prompt as a reference. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video generation prompt, paste it into the Flow AI prompt box, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your next paper crafting video will be ready. By repeating this same workflow, you can generate an unlimited number of unique paper crafting videos. Simply choose a new idea, follow the same steps, and you'll have a brand new video every time, all while maintaining the same high quality, consistent style. And here are a few videos I generated using this exact workflow. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the complete workflow from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.